Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to prepare acorns for human consumption full guide. Start by identifying safe acorn species and discarding any that are moldy or insect damaged. Sort and rinse acorns thoroughly, then crack shells and remove nuts promptly. Keep tools clean and work on a stable surface. Use gloves if you have sensitive skin, and always smell and inspect nuts before proceeding to leaching. Shelling acorns is straightforward and rewarding if you take it slow. Lightly roast or freeze acorns to help separate shells, then crack them using a nutcracker or gentle hammer taps on a sturdy surface. Extract the nut meats and remove any brown papery skins for better flavor. Aim for uniform pieces to speed leaching, and keep shell fragments away from your edible nuts for a cleaner final product. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while foraging and processing acorns, and consider the Owala water bottle for reliable sipping on the trail. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so you see more easy food prep guides. I find the bottle fits cup holders and keeps water cold, which makes long prep days easier and more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Leaching transforms bitter acorns into tasty food using simple steps anyone can follow. For mild flavor, use cold water leaching, changing water every few hours until it stays clear, which can take multiple cycles. For speed, boil acorns, drain, and repeat until bitterness is gone. Once leached, pat nuts dry and spread to air or oven dry at low heat, then cool fully before storage to prevent mold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.